It's hot.
Hot. It ain't that hot.
It ain't that hot? Okay.
Good.
It's good? Really? Okay. Good job. Hello.
Hey.
Hey. Hi.
Hey.
Can you see Micah?
Yeah.
Micah, say hey.
Hey.
Oh my goodness gracious. So yeah, we are here to make a pizza, you guys. It's a Friday night and I want to spend time with my boys. And so we are going to make a pizza. So I got the thin crust, pizza crust, and I got them the classic pizza. And we have the traditional pizza sauce. We have the good old mozzarella cheese right here. We have good old Parmesan cheese right here. Spinach. We got tomatoes. We got onions. It's green onions. It's purple onions and white onions. We have our good old jalapenos. We have green bell pepper. Green bell pepper. These are turkey pepperonis. We have ground turkey sausage, and then we have turkey bacon and good old salt and pepper over there. So preheat our oven, Imarie, to 400 degrees.
400.
400, Imarie.
You said 500?
No, 400, sir.
600.
That's 400.
400. You
700.
started. Okay, it is preheating.
That's 400.
So while it's preheating, let's get into it. Come on, Micah. So we're doing the dough.
Yeah.
This is Aiden doing his dough.
I already finished mine. Because I'm quick.
Okay.
That's how me and Micah helped me on mine.
Wait, like
Micah, you get the spoon and you swirl it around.
this?
Like this. Pull it like that. Like that. Put it all over. Oh. Okay. Yeah, put it all over. There you go. Get on the other side. Okay.
Wait.
So Micah, this your side, okay? And that's Imarie's side. So you put some on your side. There you go.
You missed a spot, Mike. Get over here.
No, you need some more of this side, little.
Okay, a little on that side.
You need
Okay.
some more of that side.
All right.
I want to do this.
You sure?
Yep.
You positive?
Yeah, positive. I'm really positive.
You really positive? You want spinach?
Yeah,
Get you a little, Micah.
I am.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. You want some pepperonis?
Yeah.
So get you some and put on yours, Marie. This your side, Micah.
Oh. I got one. My nail about to beat you.
You can
Marie. Aiden, are you almost ready for yours? You already know what you gonna put on yours?
Yep.
Is that all, Micah?
Mike, you want some of this?
Yeah.
Okay, put some of that on there.
Micah, now you putting some, what are you putting?
Uh-huh.
Turkey sausage?
Yeah.
What's this, bacon?
Yep. Turkey bacon? All right. Yours look good, Micah.
Yeah. Mine is good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all done. Go wash your hands and put your pizza on the side.
Oh. Let's pick it up. Okay.
That's all? Might want to put a little bit more.
That's good.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's me making.
Here's the spoon. There you go.
I'm doing it with my brother. Mom, I want to do it with my brother.
You gonna do it with your brother?
Yeah. I want to do it with my brother.
Well, you ask him if you want your help.
It's not good.
It
It's
smells
not like
good.
pizza.
Pizza.
Okay, here's some.
Oh, brother, so nice. You ask him, do he want your help?
But do you need your help? Yeah. Okay.
Is that what you want to put on your? You put pepperoni, Aiden?
Mm-hmm. I put some pink. I put some eyebrows. Anything else? I don't know if the jalapeno is that hot.
They're not that hot.
They ain't. Yeah, okay, I'll try some. Yeah, see, yours are hot. Okay.
You done?
Okay.
Okay, that's Aiden's. Okay. So the boys that made their pizzas, Tony and me gonna make our pizza. Of course, I love my vegetables. Like I said, I'm a supreme person. Tony is a meat person. So I done did our pizza sauce and our cheese already. So that's Tony's and mine's. I'm gonna cover it up with some turkey pepperoni.
It smells good though, I'll tell you that.
There's too. So got pepperoni.
That's a little pop.
I love pepperoni, so I am gonna put extra on mine, but I like to put some vegetables on mine. I like spinach. You want spinach?
All over.
So we gonna put some spinach. Put some green bell peppers on there. You want tomatoes?
I'm sprinkle them all over.
Put some tomatoes on there. I want onions. And put some onions on there. What is this? Turkey sausage. I don't want that, but we're gonna give it to him. Okay, you want your turkey bacon? He want his turkey bacon.
You want no turkey bacon?
And no, probably not. Jalapenos.
Like it.
I'm gonna put it on all of it, but more on his side. And that is me and Tony's. That's my side. This is Tony's side.
Good job.
Michael waiting on the pizza doing this, y'all.
Yeah. See what time is it? And this is a clock. But this is a clock.
That's a clock. You doing a clock?
Yeah.
Okay. So the boys' pizza is done. There's Aiden's. And there's Micah's and Imarie's. First, Imarie.
I'm going to take
All right,
mine.
here we go.
Mm-hmm. That's your pizza you made.
It's good.
It's good?
Better than you thought?
Better than you thought? Okay, Aiden. Let's go. Oh, you got a jalapeno on yours, huh?
Mm-hmm. Spicy? But satisfying.
Spicy but satisfying. It's good. You made it. Okay, your turn, Micah. I should have made yours smaller. You want me to cut it smaller for you?
That's big, because I want to big.
Okay. It's hot.
Oh, fuck. It ain't that hot.
It ain't that hot? Okay.
Good.
It's good? Really? Okay. Good job. Our pizza is done. Here's my taster.
Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. It looks cheesy.
That's good. It tastes real good. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and tell somebody about me, why don't you? Do this with your kids. Have pizza night with your kids, right, Micah? You enjoy making pizza? You did? Oh, you don't sound very happy. But thanks for watching. Come on. Bye-bye.
I do is adore you all of the time. I like to